Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to translate an infographic file into Hindi. So I've chosen this image from Amazon and we're going to translate it into Hindi using the Redacre app. Now as you can see, I've pulled it into the app and it's put these boxes around the text. Now I'm just going to select these two boxes because we don't need to translate these, so I'm just going to deselect those and we're just going to translate the areas that you can see still highlighted. So I'll click confirm, then I'm going to select the language Hindi and then click translate. Click confirm, and there you go. You can see it's removed the text, but there's a little bit of a blemish left over, so I'm just going to paint over that and then click clean up. It's going to take a couple of seconds just to process. And there you go, you can see that that has been removed. So I click next, and it's pulled in the Hindi text. Looks like it's just going to adjust the color to white on everything. And there we go, it was missing one. I'm just going to centralize it, and then I'll compare that with the original. These two are slightly small, so I'm just going to make them a bit bigger. Let's try 70. There we go, that's looking good. Perfect. So I'll just export that image now, and that's saved to my computer. So that's how to translate an infographic image file into Hindi from English using the Redacre app powered by Google Translate. Get started with 5 free credits. Visit redacre.co.